Hey everyone! If you've been following our last few videos, you know we've covered some really important ideas. You're not weak, your scoliosis just makes your core work differently. We talked about a morning reset to wake up your core on both sides and get you ready for your day. We chatted about why old advice for scoliosis and exercise is a bit outdated. And we talked about why function beats symmetry. Strength is about control, not about having to have a perfectly straight spine. All of these concepts have one common thread. Your body can be strong. Even with curves, rotations, or imbalances, you just need the right approach. And that's exactly why we created the Core Control with Scoliosis course. Today, I want to show you what it looks like, why it works, and how it ties into everything we've talked about so far. My name is Dr. Beth Terranova. I am a scoliosis specialist physical therapist and a person with scoliosis myself. And here's the problem. Most core programs are not designed for a spine with scoliosis. If you've tried traditional core exercises, maybe you felt one side working harder than the other, movements that feel impossible or uncomfortable, or even an increase in pain after doing exercises. And maybe that left you feeling stuck, frustrated, or afraid to exercise. That's because standard abdominal workouts assume a straight spine. But scoliosis, it's three-dimensional. Curve, rotation, the rib shift, and a one-size-fits-all plan just doesn't work and sometimes can make things feel worse. That's where Core Control with Scoliosis comes in. It's built specifically for your spine so that you can move, strengthen, and gain confidence safely. Let's connect this to what we've talked about in previous videos. Your core muscles recruit differently when you have scoliosis. So in our Core Control with Scoliosis course, we teach you how to activate both sides effectively so you can get the weaker muscles to actually work. We talked about small, precise movements to wake up the core. And in the course, we have an expansion of that with step-by-step routines that give you a full program you can follow. We busted some myths on core work and stretching, and this course shows you the truth in action. Strength is protective, and you can train safely without worrying about injuring or harming your spine. We talked about how function is the most important thing that we want to improve with scoliosis. And this course has exercises that help to support your curve, not fight against it, building control and stability exactly where your body needs it. So if you've been following along, this course is basically the next step, turning all those ideas into a structured and practical plan. So what makes our Core Control with Scoliosis course unique? We have Scoliosis-safe core workouts. Every exercise is demonstrated and explained so you know how to activate your muscles without overloading one side. We teach you about breathing and core activation so you can learn how to breathe into your ribs correctly, helping your core to engage properly. This is the foundation for strength, stability, and less pain. We teach you posture and alignment strategies, making small tweaks in how you position your body when you're exercising to get the most even balance of your muscles. We have modifications for all curve types. The course will help you classify your curve, so whether you have one curve, multiple curves, or even a spinal fusion, there are adjustments so every exercise is safe and effective. And we give you lifetime access so that you can go at your own pace and revisit the exercises anytime. No subscriptions, no time crunch, no pressure. So you're not guessing, you're able to follow a proven, expert-led roadmap to build your core strength with scoliosis. The science behind this course is simple. With scoliosis, your muscles don't always fire evenly. One side is stronger, the other side is quieter, and traditional exercises are often overloading the stronger side and ignoring the weaker side. So in the course, we focus on even activation, teaching your nervous system to start to engage the muscles that you've been missing. We teach you rotational control, learning how to resist and work on rotation to move with more stability. And building function first, improving posture, improving your movement patterns, and confidence without worrying about having to change your degree of curve as an outcome, more to improve your function, reduce your pain without an overemphasis on having to straighten the spine. Here are some of the outcomes that people experience when they use the Core Control with Scoliosis course. They're able to feel more balanced and supported through their core. They're able to reduce daily aches and notice less fatigue. They feel more confidence moving in everyday life. And they find that their strength can start to translate into real activities, not just the gym. And even if you've stopped exercising out of fear, the course starts very gently and then gradually increases to build strength safely. That's the beauty of a program designed specifically for scoliosis. The goal is to meet you where you're at. This course is perfect for you if you've tried core workouts in the past that didn't help, if you want a plan that is more tailored to your body, if you want strength that supports your spine in daily life, and you're ready to move without fear. And yes, even if you've had a spinal fusion, we have modifications included so that you can follow along safely. Getting started is simple. There's a link in the description to enroll. You'll get immediate access to all the video lessons, exercises, and tutorials, and you can go at your own pace. Do what feels right for your body. No guessing, no generic exercises, just a clear step-by-step program that respects your curves, builds your strength, and improves your function. If you're still nervous or worried about doing the wrong thing, not sure exactly where to start, when you sign up for the Core Control with Scoliosis course, you can also book an additional call with me to go over any questions that you have or to help you to figure out which exercises would work best for you. So once you sign up for the course, there is a link in the course to also book that session for an additional fee. So if you've been frustrated with traditional workouts, scared to exercise, or unsure how to train your scoliosis safely, this course is the roadmap that you've been looking for. Remember what we said in the previous videos. You're not weak. Function is more important than perfect straight spine symmetry. And you can train your core safely, even with a scoliosis curve or a spinal fusion. The Core Control with Scoliosis course helps you to take all these concepts and turn them into real results. Strength, stability, and confidence you can feel in your daily life. Check out the course through the link in the description, and let's get your core working with you, not against you.